Baidu reported its second quarter earnings on August 18th, revealing a classic pivot story. The company, founded by search pioneer Robin Li, is undergoing a dramatic structural transformation. Top-line sales and traditional advertising revenue are both falling, creating clear friction. Yet under the surface, Baidu's engine room is shifting fast toward artificial intelligence. Surge momentum in Baidu AI Cloud, AI-powered business, ERNIE foundation models, and the Apollo Go robotaxi fleet is now directly challenging the pull of legacy search ads. For the second quarter, total revenue reached 31.3 billion renminbi, down 4% year-over-year and down 2% sequentially. Online marketing ads revenue fell 19% to 13.1 billion renminbi, driven by a deliberate delay in AI search monetization as Baidu prioritizes user experience along with tougher attention competition. But the AI side tell a very different story. Baidu Core AI-powered business revenue climbed 25% to 12.5 billion renminbi, now accounting for half of general business revenue. Baidu AI cloud infrastructure revenue jumped 50% to 7.3 billion renminbi on heavy demand for training and inference, while AI applications revenue reached 2.5 billion renminbi, up 3%. Operating income came in at 3.0 billion renminbi, representing a 10% operating margin. Non-GAAP net income was 2.6 billion renminbi, while GAAP net income hit 2.3 billion renminbi. Non-GAAP earnings per ADS landed at about $1.06, missing consensus estimates of roughly $1.35. Operating cash flow rose to 3.4 billion renminbi, marking a fourth straight positive quarter and lifting Baidu's cash war chest to 283.1 billion renminbi. Operationally, Apollo Go provided over 1 million fully driverless rides in the quarter, passing 23 million cumulative rides, while ERNIE Assistant daily active users surged 83% with conversation rounds more than tripling. Analyst questions focused heavily on long-term AI execution and capital structure. Alex Yao at J.P. Morgan asked how Baidu views ERNIE's positioning against multi-trillion parameter models and what key priorities exist following new talent hires. Chief Executive Robin Li answered that foundation models remain dynamic with shifting leadership, noting long-term success requires sustained investment and application-driven focus, organizational tuning, and bringing top talent to keep ERNIE in the top tier. Alicia Yap at Citigroup asked about drivers for 50% AI cloud infrastructure growth and future margin potential. Executive Vice President Dou Shen noted GPU cloud revenue grew 283%, driven by expanding customer adoption across sectors, strong inference demand, and a full-stack architecture spanning chips, cloud, and agent products like Famo Agent, DuMate, Miaoda, and Baidu Yaijing. Miranda Zhuang at Bank of America asked how management balances expanding AI investments with operating margins. Chief Financial Officer Henry, he explained that higher margin GPU cloud sales, chip cost efficiency, scale leverage, and sticky subscription AI applications will drive long-term expansion while maintaining strict return on investment discipline. Lincoln Kong at Goldman Sachs asked for an update on the proposed listing of chip unit Kunlunxin and its strategic growth drivers. Dou Shen stated the listing process is ongoing, pointing to surging domestic demand for reliable compute, inference, growth, and over a decade of chip integration as key tailwinds. Wei Xiong at UBS asked about the timeline and rationale for converting to a Hong Kong dual primary listing and seeking Stock Connect inclusion. Henry, he detailed that following shareholder approval on August 26th, the conversion should take effect this year to expand liquidity, diversify investor reach, and enable direct access for mainland investors. Thomas Chong at Jefferies asked about AI search developments and second-half advertising trends. Executive Vice President Julius Mu explained that higher answer quality, reduced hallucination, and integration with ERNIE Assistant task agents have boosted user retention, prioritizing user experience over near-term monetization. Ellie Jiang at Macquarie asked about evolving robotaxi regulations and Apollo Go's overseas commercialization plans. Robin Li highlighted China's new Level 3 and Level 4 safety standards where Baidu contributed expertise, emphasizing that global expansion will target cities with supportive regulations and strong commercial viability. Baidu is clearly choosing to trade immediate ad revenue pain for a structural lead in AI search, cloud infrastructure, and autonomous transport. The transition brings near-term margin pressure, but it firmly establishes the company's foundational pivot to an AI-first future.